welcome back. We're about to hit a trail. Trail starts right up there. It is called Geneva Creek. Should be a fairly easy trail. I've never ran this one before, so we're not sure on how difficult it is, but it looks pretty easy. For those of you that are new to the channel, our GX is on 34s, and that's really about it. Oh, I guess a 3-inch lift, long travel in the rear, no lockers, no anything, but I don't think we're even gonna use our center locker today. Let's get to off-roading. We are rocking this trail solo as well. That's why we kind of picked an easier one for today. Once we get some people with us, then we can start rocking some harder trails, because I feel like I've learned my lesson with rocking trails solo. A lot of bad stuff has happened. We got an issue. Something's loose, for sure. I just heard a big bang. Something's loose. Oh, I found it. Oh my God. My whole sway bar. How does one fix that? You gotta be kidding me. We can just run no sway bar. How does that happen? I'm happy I noticed now. Let's get this solved. All right, game plan. We're gonna just take off the rear sway bar completely. Who needs it anyway? We used to not rock one, and now we're just gonna go back to that. Impact, and then I wanna say it's a 12. It's gotta be a 12. All right, here's game plan. That is what we're removing right there. Should just be a quick zip, 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 and then we're good. Then we can take off the end links, and then we'll have our sway bar removed. Here's another look. Not supposed to be moving. It's supposed to be right there. Bluetooth sway bar. And that is how you delete your sway bar mid-trail. Take that back. We're just putting the bolts back on, and we're gonna hammer this back in place. All right, we should be good. It's on there. I don't think it's going anywhere for the duration of this trail. Jack 1, GX sway bar 0. We're not gonna let a sway bar stop us. Let's get on with the trail. We're chasing the sunset right now. We're camping on the trail, if you haven't noticed already. But it'd be cool to do some night wheeling, test out these new lights we got. Oh, this view is crazy. don't think camera does justice of the beauty of this right now. We got like the sun setting over there. And then over here, that way it's just a huge valley. I think we're getting close to our camp spot. I don't really know what's up here though. We're hoping that's a dope spot. We found our camp spot for the night. 10 out of 10. Actually a pretty insane camp spot find for how many people were on this trail this weekend. So I'm very happy we found this. We're pretty close to the top of the trail, so we're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow morning and enjoy this night by this babbling brook. We'll see you in the morning. We're pretty close to the top of the trail. We're gonna continue on. Let's go do some exploring and find the top. This trail has been a blast so far. The views are insane. I mean, this camp spot is not the best camp spot, but the views make up for it. Do some off-roading. Should be pretty mellow. Looks like the views will be insane in the membrane up there. She good? We have made it to the top. This is sick up here. There's like this old pickup, a bunch of bolt holes in it. This trail has honestly been super beautiful and pretty easy. This last part's pretty steep. I had to pop it into 4 low just to make it a whole lot easier. But this is sick. This trail has been sick. The views, knock it out of the park, amazing. Pretty mellow off-roading. The hardest part, it just kind of gets harder, I guess. More steeper, loose rocks, nothing insane though. Nothing crazy at all. Let's head back down the mountain. We're almost to the bottom of the trail here. I'm just gonna show you what a big chunk of the trail looks like. Super mellow, most of it though. Our sway bar came disconnected again, Bluetooth. I heard it pop out, but so I'm just gonna get back to the pavement and then we can figure it out from there. That's it. That's the trail. All right, now we just gotta figure out our damn sway bar. Round 2, I am assuming the same thing happened. Oh yeah. Bluetooth sway bar. Let's get the wrenches out. Get this boy back to where we can limp it on home. Don't drink whiskey. That should be good. We just gotta get to our buddy's house. And I think we're gonna get her fixed up and just take it all out and then call it good. Well, that's a wrap on Geneva Creek. Personally, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 just for the fact that the views were insane. Like, I drove up kind of close to sunset, or yeah, right when the sun was setting, and it was just so sick. There was just a glow over the peaks of the mountains. It was fire. Difficulty factor, probably a 3 out of 10. It was pretty easy. I only had to put it in 4 low. I probably didn't even need to. Just makes my life easier when I was going up at the very tippy top. But there's so much camping on this trail, which makes it that much better. Probably definitely gonna bring, a group back here in the future. We're heading back on home. That was a great time. If you're watching this off-road video, stay tuned for the camping video because we cooked some steak tacos. That's about it. Don't forget to subscribe, support the channel. If you got any trails that you want me to hit, comment them down below too. We'll see what we can make happen, but we'll see ya. See you next week. Peace. Drive safe.